Today we will solve any example.
دكتور
Yes. What do you want?
سجن البورد
Sign in because register on this or sign in using your account and password from this program.
new and Teams.
In Teams, yes, Teams. If you cannot, then create a new account.
Professor,
Yes.
Khalid Ramadan won't join the meeting and you unable do that.
Ramadan.
رمضان
Ramadan.
اسمك ايه؟
No,
خالد رمضان you join here.
Mohammed Ramadan. Yes.
خالد رمضان محمود رمضان
Mohammed.
خالد رمضان
Mohammed Khalid Ramadan. Yes, I call him.
he speak he your name his name Khalid Ramadan Mahmoud Hussein.
Mohammed.
In English.
Khalid Ramadan. Now I see your name on my list. Khalid Ramadan. 1 minute.
His Gmail is Khalid Ramadan.
I understand Khalid Ramadan, but I must see the writing of this name because I cannot call if I don't write. Khalid Ramadan. I see only two Ramadan Ahmed Samir Abdelatif and Ramadan Mohammed Ahmed Mohammed El Badri.
No. Hussein Khalid Ramadan. Hussein Khalid Ramadan.
Hussein Khalid Ramadan. I cannot find this name in my list of students. Maybe you can write down it on the chat. His name on Russian. Who is Khalid Ramadan?
He don't attend. He didn't attend in Microsoft Teams.
I cannot see in university list this name.
Okay, I see. It's just I send you.
Maybe you can write down his name in the chat. Yes.
Okay.
Write down his name in the chat, and
okay,
I see.
Хорошо, thank you.
In the chat of this meeting.
يا جدعان اللي فتح المايك يقفله.
شباب الصفحة اللي المفروض نفتحها دي مش راضية تفتح عندي، بسجل باسمي مش راضية تفتح عندي.
You can write down
أنا
the
عملتها
name
جست وخلاص.
of this Ramadan on the chat.
يا شباب هي الدكتورة بدأت كتابة ولا لسه؟
Can you not?
هو رمضان.
يا اسطى هي عايزاك تكتب
خالد.
الاسم العادي يا اسطى مش الجيميل.
What is it?
اسم كامل زي ما هو في الجامعة.
0111.
اكتب اسمه يا اسطى، الاسم العادي اسمه.
Khalid 0111. It what? Mohammed. Why you sent to me email?
الرجالة نكتب
I
الإيميل بتاعنا على
ask
الدردشة ولا
name,
إيه؟
full name of this student, not email, full name. Can you say me full name of this student? Cannot. I don't seek Khalid in my university list. Khalid Ramadan Mahmoud Hussein. Khalid Ramadan, but in
Yes, Khalid
group,
Ramadan Mahmoud
don't
Hussein.
Khalid
His
Ramadan
name.
Mahmoud Hussein.
Da.
Where?
His name and his email. Because he unable join the meeting because you didn't add his.
Hussein Khalid
Hussein.
Ramadan Mahmoud, this student.
Да, هو إيتا.
I call him.
Что?
Now I call him.
هتتصل عليه.
Not?
اوكي هتتصل على كيف؟
But is not in this program.
ده هو.
The student not in this program.
No. He use the program.
Look, this is his email from university site.
إيميل الجامعة.
This, his email. Let he use this email from enter to the Windows account and this program. This email and his password from university site. Let he come to this program and then I can add him to this program. Understand me?
No.
يا اسطى خليه يكتب
He
بتاع
must
ده.
enter on this program.
خليه يكتب ايه؟
خليه يكتب اللي بتاع ده في تيمز، اللي بتاع المكتوب على الشاشة ده.
ايه اللي مكتوب على الشاشة؟
الإيميل 2021 0522
2014 بقى.
2021
اللي هو اللوجن بتاعه يعني.
He must enter this program and then I can add him.
استنى.
If he don't enter, I cannot.
I can't open whiteboard.
اكتب
Do it.
التسجيل يا اسطى عندك،
هات اللوجن بتاعك والبن
في تسجيل
بعته لي.
عندك في الشاشة، اعمل هتلاقي فوق على اليمين جست، واكتب أي جيميل وخلاص وخش.
بتقول إيه يا اسطى؟
After enter it, I can
انت اكتب الايميل اللي هو، خلي صاحبك يكتب الايميل اللي هو اللوجن
تمام.
بتاعه، ويكتب كلمة السر من اليونيفرسيتي سايت.
يبعتهم فين؟
مش
في موقع
يبعت،
الجامعة.
يخش يسجل في التيمز.
هو مسجل في التيمز يا اسطى، والتيمز مفتوح، بس عنده البرنامج ده او الجروب ده مش موجود عنده اساسا، فاهم؟ هو ما فتحش ولا محاضرة في تيمز خالص، هو فاتح الايميل
ماشي
بتاعه في
يا
تيمز
اسطى،
عادي.
هو فاتح تيمز، ما هو يعني هو ما سجلش بموقع الجامعة، عشان كده الجروب ممكن مصدر عنده.
ان هو يسجل يعمل حساب تاني من اول بموقع الجامعة وكده بالايميل بتاعه بتاع الجامعة.
No, we must
دكتور
construct. Yes. The graph of
I can't open whiteboard.
just register in this.
هو ايه طيب اللي هي بعتها ده في المكان اللي بتكتب فيه؟
انت قدامك دلوقتي شاشة مكتوب فيها يوزر نيم وباسورد ولا لا؟
مكتوبة يعني.
سجل يا اسطى، فوق على اليمين هتلاقي مكتوب ريجايزر أو حاجة زي
الاقي
كده.
مكتوبة.
ريجايزر او حاجة زي كده، انا مش فاكر، انا دخلت اللي بتاع.
هو امتحان ولا ايه؟
لا يا عم، بس احنا بنكتب هنا برضه، بنعرف نكتب، مش عارف ايه دي.
Today we will constructing the graph
انا
of
اسجل استنى.
طب الرجالة مش
اسجل
باين عندنا
functions.
بايميلي ولا بايميل مايكروسوفت ولا اي ايميل ولا ايه
لا
الدنيا؟
بص،
أي
فوق ساعة من اللي في النص، خش فوق واكتب اي ايميل.
اعمل
هتلاقي
اي
فوق على
ايميل
اليمين
جديد
كده
يعني.
في كلمة صغيرة، تك عليها واكتب اي ايميل.
أي جيميل يا اسطى، اكتب الجيميل بتاعك وسجل بيه.
في الاسم يا اسطى، وفي الباسورد، وفي كونتينيو. هي كونتينيو دي.
يا اسطى فوق يا اسطى هتلاقي ريجستر
Firstly,
ويز
he
جيست باين.
must enter on the Windows account. Firstly,
الرجالة
Windows account, and then
كان يسبيك
this
عربي.
account.
يا اسطى فوق على اليمين هتلاقي كده في كلمة صغيرة، تك عليها.
اللي هي ان دي.
لا يا
نزل على الجروب، نزل على جروب الواتس، خدها صورة ونزلها
Let
على جروب
he
الواتس
enter
وانا
on
هعمل
the
حاجة.
Windows account using the email of university and password on university site, and then he can enter to this account on this program. Very easy.
الرجالة أنا مش فاهم أي حاجة، هي ما تقول لي ولا عاوز إيه مننا بالظبط.
انت بعت اللوجن يا اسطى؟
تقول لك
بعتهم.
الصفحة اللي مفتوحة قدامك ديت، عشان تدخل على الوايت بورد اكتب الايميل بتاع الجامعة اللي انت مسجل بيه على التيمز وخلاص. يعني اللي انت عملته في التيمز اعمله هنا.
Maybe begin.
تبضان.
إيه بالظبط في الدردشة أنا أكتب الإيميل بتاعي أنا ولا إيه؟ مش فاهم.
All students can see the bot right now. If you can just register on this.
احنا شكلنا نسجل غياب كلنا دلوقتي.
يا اسطى خد الصورة، خد الشاشة عندك صورة وابعتها على الجروب، واحنا هنقول لك تعمل ايه.
All of you can see the bot or not? Students, all of you can see the
Yes,
bot.
I can see.
You can.
Yes,
Good.
Yes, yes,
How
I can see.
we'll construct the graph of this function.
I can see.
It is straight line, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is straight line. If we want to construct the straight line, we must put 2 points of this line. For example, if x is 0, then y is minus 3 times 0 plus 5 as in formula. Yes, it is 5. If x is, for example, don't play please on the board.
محدش يلعب يا جماعة.
5. If x is, for example, 2, then y will be equal minus 3 times 2 plus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1. And, sorry, I'm ill. And using these 2 points, we can construct the graph. This, it is y-axis, x-axis, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here x 0, 2. If we have 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point. If x is 2, y is minus 1. If x is 2, y is minus 1. And then we must plot the straight line that lie somewhere. Understand me?
Yes.
Yes, good. Very easy, yes?
Yes, yes.
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 Next, 11. Y is 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1. It is parabola. If we want to plot parabola, we must have at least 5 points or biggest. X, y. If x is 0, y is 1 over 2 times 0 squared plus 1 is 1. If x is, for example, 2, y of 2 is 1 over 2 times 2 squared plus 1. It is 3. Minus 2, 3, 2.
يا رجالة أنا مش فاهم أي حاجة، عاوز إيه بالظبط؟ أنا الصفحة اللي أنتوا بعتوها على الجروب دي مش باينة عندي، أجيبها إزاي بالظبط؟
Maybe x is 1, y is 1 over 2 times 1 squared plus 1 is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 minus 1 same. It is 1 of y minus 1, 1 over 2 times minus 1 squared plus 1 is 3 over 2. For example, maybe 4. Y of 4 is 1 over 2 times 4 squared plus 1 is 16 over 2 plus 1 is 9, sorry. Minus 4 same way. minus 4 squared plus 1
يا رجالة أنا بتكتب
9.
فين وبتعملها بالظبط؟ بالله عليكم حد يفهمني.
And we can plot this graph using this table. Y 0 x 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 1 2 3 4 and on the y-axis 2 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 is in point 0 we have not if x is 0 y is 1 it is this point. If x is 1 y is 3.5 minus 1 same. If x is 2 y is what 3 minus 2 same. 3 2 3 minus 2 3 2 and in point 4 we have 9 minus 4 same. Good. It means our curve, this curve that pass during all of these points. It is parabola. Is it clear?
Yes, very clear.
Yes.
Next, parabola. It is y is 3 minus 2x squared. The vertex of this parabola on point x is 0, 2, x, y. If x is 0, y is 3 minus 2 times 0 squared, 3. Calculate 1 and minus 1. We have 1 plus or minus 2. We have here minus. It's 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5. Plot it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three. Here 0, here y-axis, x-axis. We have 0, 3, 1 and minus 1, it is 1. 2 and minus 2, it is minus 5. Plot the points and then our curve. Parabola. This and this. Understand? Yes? Clear? Yes?
أسامة Hisham Fattouh can't attend in Teams. What should he do?
Why?
I don't know. He told me he can't attend. He can't go to Teams.
Maybe he don't write password.
Okay, I will tell him.
Let he change his password on the university site. He must firstly enter to the university site. Let he change this password on this site and then enter again using
Okay,
the email that
I
I give you.
Okay,
Yes.
I will tell him. Thank you.
I can send this email in the chat.
هترسل ايه؟
For example,
هي ترسل ايه
this
رجالة اللي قالت
his
ايه؟
email I sent in the chat. Let he use it. For example, sometime students forgot on the letter student forgot S in the end. Maybe he forget it. S and then so. Maybe this because I find his name in the system and he exists in the system. On he must enter in this system if I find him. Understand me? Next number, number 13. It is y is x squared plus 2x minus 1. In the first, we must find the vertex of this parabola. x0. x0 is minus b over 2a. In this squared three terms, we have a is 1, the multiplier before x 1 times x squared. B is 2, this number, and C is minus 1, last number. Calculate minus B over 2A minus 2 over 2 times 1 minus 1. Why 0? It is minus 1 squared plus 2 times minus 1 minus 1. It is 1 minus 2 minus 1 or just minus 2. It means the coordinate of vertex of parabola or prime is minus 1 and minus 2. It is vertex. Find, for example, not playing, please, because I don't like this board. You can play. Minus maybe minus 4, for example. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, minus 1. Minus 1. Oh. Don't play, please.
يا عم اللي شغال يلعب
لا
كفاية.
قاعد يلعب ده، خليك اسكت.
0, 1, minus 1 is vertex. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It is, look, 3 number before, 1, 2, 3. And 3 number, 1, 2, 3.
النبي اللي عامل الكبير في
This
الحتة ده
vertex.
يمكن.
This. Calculate y. Y of minus 4 is, what is it? Minus 4 squared plus 2 times minus 4 minus 1. It means 16 minus 8 minus 1, 7. Y of minus 3. Minus 3 squared plus 2 times minus 3 minus 1. It is 9 minus 6 minus 1, 2. Y of minus 2. Minus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 2 minus 1. It is minus 1. From minus 1 minus 2. And then minus 1 is vertex. Minus 1
يا رجالة هو
plus
مين اللي
7.
بيكتب بالظبط؟ مش فاهم أي حاجة أنا، في كذا حد بيكتب.
Put it. Y from minus 2 to 7. This Y X 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find the points. We have minus 4, 7. Minus 4, 7. Y is 7. Minus 3, 2. 2 from y. Minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, and then, minus 1, minus 2 here. And then we repeat. It is parabola. If parabola, we just repeat. And plot this line. This line. It is really good line, parabola. Is it clear? Understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Next graph.
طب يا رجالة نكتب وراه احنا ولا مكتبوش وراه؟
14. Y is 1 over x minus 1. It is hyperbola. Hyperbola, the standard secondary school hyperbola, if vertex in the point x is 1, y is 0. X is 1 and y is 0, it is asymptote. Asymptote line. Plot this hyperbola x, y. If x is 2, y is 1. If x is, for example, 1 over 2, y is 2. If x is 3, y is 1 over 2, etc. Plot it. Y 0 x asymptote x is 1. This is asymptote line and asymptote line x-axis. Y is 0. If x is 2, y is 1 over 2. if x is 1 over 2, y is 2. 1 over 2 minus 2. Don't play, please. Minus 2. And here 1/2 is 2. Then if x is 3, we have 3 minus 1 over 2. It is not true. This point is так, if x is 2, 1, here this 3. Oh, not 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Not 2, 4. In this point, etc. Geometric progression. It is first and the second, if x is 0 minus 1, then we have this minus.
Профессор, можно вопрос?
Yes, you can.
Извините, only I want to know where did you get numbers of x, values of x?
X? Any number.
Any number.
Any.
Okay.
I just give any number. I can take.
I got it. I understand.
Yes, I can
Thanks.
take any number.
Okay.
Just from the numbers of the scale of x. From x-axis, for example, I want number minus 1. Yes, minus 1. X is minus 1. 1 over minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 over 2. And calculate from y. Minus 2. 1 over 3. Etc. Just. Next. Fifteen. Y is sine of 2x. X, y. I will take from 0 to pi because 2 pi is the period of this function. For example, 0, pi over 12, pi over 6, maybe pi over 8, maybe 8 here, pi over 6, then pi pi over 4, then pi over 3, three pi over 8, five pi over 12, then pi over 2, etc. If x is 0, sine of 2 times 0 is 0. If x is pi over 12, we have sine of 2 times pi over 12, or sine of pi over 6 is pi over 8, pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. Then pi over 6 is sine of 2 times pi over 6. Sine of pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 3. Then after pi over 6, pi over 4. One. We have 0, 1 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 3 over 3, then 1, square root of 3 over 3, square root of 2 over 2. I cannot calculate because I know, etc. The sign of it. Very long x-axis and long y-axis. Y 0 x. X is pi over 12. 2 pi over 12. Pi over 6. 3 pi over 12. Pi over 4. 4 pi over 12. 2 pi over 6. 5 pi over 12. 6 pi over 12, pi over 2. 7 pi, oh not 6, yes, 7 pi over 12. 8, 4 pi over 6. 9, 3 pi over 4. 10, 5 pi over 6. 11 pi over 12 and pi. And in other side same way. Вот. Here 1 and here -1. 0, 0. Pi over 12 is 1 over 2. Pi over 4 is 0. Here pi over 2, 1 over 2. Yes. Not. Here 1. This 1 and this here 0. Then this point -1. This point. This is sign line. Sign line. Very beautiful line. And in this case, 2 use this. And this and this. It's periodic line. This line always repeat. Always repeat. The period of this line from 0 pi. He entered on this program. Mohammed, your friend entered on this program or not?
He is trying
Yes.
to enter.
Entered. Now I call him.
He entered.
Что?
Now
didn't hear.
I will call him.
Okay.
يا ريت يا اسطى.
1
بتقول
minute.
الواد اللي كلمني دخل وهي هتكلمه دلوقتي.
دخل فين يا اسطى؟
اللي هو عمل يعني اكونت على مايكروسوفت تيم.
يا ابني ده هو قاعد جنبي ده هو فاتح اصلا عامل حساب من زمان والدنيا تمام بس هي ما
لا
ضافتهوش.
لا في واحد تاني اللي هو أسامة.
أسامة مين ده؟ اسمه خالد رمضان محمود حسين.
ما هو في واحد
لا
اسمه
كده.
أسامة برضه نفس الكلام.
نفس الكلام. أسامة ده يا اسطى كان حاضر معنا قبل كده كذا محاضرة اللي هو عادي ده ينضم وخلاص، أما ده اللي هو برنامج
I called him.
الاجتماع نفسه مش موجود.
I call him.
أوكي.
Just
You called
سألت.
أسامة هشام فتوح.
قامة رمضان.
يا شباب هي خدت الحضور ولا لسه؟
لسه.
هيت.
تمام.
دكتور you called Osama Hisham
I
Fatou.
call Khalid Ramadan, not he don't in this program.
Not he used this he used program.
He don't in this program. I cannot
no.
call him. He don't it
على الطلاق بيستخدم.
on his account, university account. He must add on this to this program
He opened
using the university account.
he opened that.
He must not use any account, only university account.
He opened the university account and opened the Microsoft Teams, but you didn't add you.
Write down to me in the contact we can. Now I write down my VK ID on the chat. Can you see? He just must write down to me in VK and I help him. I cannot help him if I don't.
Yeah, I understand you. Okay.
Good. After this class,
بتقول خليه يكلمها الفي كي تبعنا عشان تعرف تساعده.
أو فين الفي كي بتاعها؟
أنا هديهولك.
خلصانة يا اسطى. ماشي. Okay, Professor. Thank you.
Yes, good. Next. Next number. Number 16. 16. We have the function y is cosine of 3x. Y is cosine of 3x. The period of cosine function is 2 pi. It means we must take the number from 0 to x, 3x, 2 pi. X is 2 pi over 3 to this. Maybe try do it same way. This y, this x, y-axis, x-axis. Then here pi over 6, pi over 3, pi over 2. No, this is 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 2 pi over 3, and in this case some way. If x is 0, cosine of 0 is 1. This point. If x is pi over 6, cosine of 3 times pi over 6 is cosine of pi over 2 is 0. If x is pi over 3, cosine of 3 times pi over 3 equals cosine of pi is minus 1. In the point pi over 2, cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0, and in the point 2 pi over 3 is 1. In other this, and we have the line, cosine line, same as sine line, by a little replace. And then the period of this function will be from 0 to 2 pi over 3, this period. Next, 17. Y is x squared minus 4x plus 6. In this, a is 1, b is minus 4, cx is 6, and 0, the abscissa of vertex, is minus b over 2a, 4 over 2. Y0 is 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 6, then minus 8 is 2. Vertex has the coordinates 2, 2. And plot the graph of this function. Standard school parabola. One, two, 1, 2. One, 3. Here, 3, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. this point. Point, etc. And plot our line. Just take any x, calculate from this y, and construct. It is parabola with vertex in the point 2, 2. 18. Y is 1 over 1 minus x squared, the even function cos x squared. The asymptote of this function, it is x is plus or minus 1. It is asymptote. Calculate. Y 0 x minus 1 1. Plot asymptote x don't equal to 1 and x don't equal to minus 1. If x is 0, then y of 0, it is function y minus y of 0 is 1 over 1 minus 0 squared it is 1. For example, 1 over 2 plus or minus even function equals 1 over 1 minus 1 over 4. It is 4 over 3. Don't play, please. 4 over 3. 1 over 2. 4 over 3. It is here. 4 over 3. And this 2. If we have 1 over 4, we have 16 over 15. It is this and this, and we have this function, this, and this in this place. It is between minus 1 and 1. What we can see after 1, y of 2 maybe 3/2 after 1. 1/1 minus 3/2 squared. One of 2 1 of 3 plus or minus same even function, etc. Plot this 2, 3, 2. If x is 2, y is minus 4/5. It is minus 1 minus 4/5 here. If 3, we have minus or not. Where? If 3 minus 1/8, if 2 minus 1/3. I mistake. Here minus 1/3. Minus 1/3, it is in this place. Yes. This. Here minus 4/5 in this place. Then if minus 3 minus 1/8, this, and we have that line asymptotically come to x-axis, and to line x is 1, and symmetric in this place, symmetric. This is our line. Do you understand?
Yes.
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 Good.
So the last one is so complex.
Now I check you. At home, you must consider the number that we solved today on our class, and send me your solution of this number that we solved on this class. Understand me? Only examples
teacher.
that we solved today. Only this example from 10 to 18. From 10 to 18.
Right.
Only these numbers.
Yeah. Right examples only.
I don't understand. Please repeat. Right exam what?
what we have to do? We have to write all of these examples. Oh, yes?
Yes, these examples, all these examples that we solved today, all this plotting.
Okay.
Now I must check you. And then
Please, you check me.
I check all students
لسه
that
هتاخد الغياب دلوقتي.
on
Okay.
this class. All students.
Okay, thank you.
1 minute, please. Download.
نادي اسمك بقى، خلي الدرس عشان ترد.
خدت الأسامي ولا لسه يا عبده؟
لسه بتاخدها تقسيم. خدت اسمك يا
ما تهزرش يا أخي بالله عليك، ما تزودنيش.
قالت ياسين فين؟ ياسين قافل، لا لازم السكة الغياب.
University site, no.
المحاضرة أصلا هتخلص دلوقتي.
هي خلصت أصلا وسجلتنا كلنا حضور إلا أنت.
صديقة دكتور أقول له ولا إيه؟ طلعت إيه؟
قول له
سجلت
يا عم
الغياب
اصبر.
خلاص.
اصبر يا صاحبي اصبر، لسه ما خدتش بالي.
I can.
Okay.
It is not very good. Our university site not want to work. Oh,
Good.
good. I can download. Look, Abdallah Youssef Ahmed El Said Hasni here, not?
Here, yes.
Here. Abdel Salam Mohammed Ahmed Abdul Manem. Here or not? Abdel Salam Mohammed, not? Abdul Rahim Allah Ahmed Abdurrahman Ahmed. Here? Abdul Rahim.
Yes, here.
Here.
Yes.
Abdurrahman Marwan Mohammed Fawzi. Not? Alavdali Mohammed Hassan Mohammed Ahmed. Not. Ali Yasin Issam Abu El Fetou. Here. Al Badri Bakir Tahsin Abdul Ali. Not. Al Saidi Ali Kasim Mohammed. Not. Ahmed Ibrahim Ahmed Atia Ibrahim. Not. Ashri Mohammed Hatem Mohammed Rida. Bin Aoun Badr Falet Said.
Yes, Amir.
Daoud Abdurrahman Gamal Ismail Abdul Manem. Daoud not?
ده Amir.
Yeah. Dividar Shaht Asama Maher Fathi Abdulaziz. Здесь. El-Misiri Ziad Abrahim Abdelsamad Shaban.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm here.
Cuellar Calderon Jose Fernanda. Not. Marzouk Mustafa Abdurrahman El Saidab Del Khalek. Not. Mohammed Abdurrahman Said Mohammed.
Yes, this.
Yeah, good. Radvan Hamza Ahmed Mohammed. Not. Ramadan Ahmed Samir Abdulatif.
Does it?
Yeah. Ramadan Mohammed Ahmed Mohammed El Badri. Ramadan El Badri. Not. Resk Ahmed Gamal Gat Ali.
Yes, Dr. Amir.
Yeah. Sagair Hussein Ashraf Hussein. Yeah. Farahat Asama Hisham Fatuh Ibrahim Mohammed. Not. Hassan Mohammed Ashraf Mohammed Ali.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Hussein Khalid Ramadan Mahmoud. No?
Use this. Use
Yeah,
this.
Hussein Khalid. Good. Shnuda Malak
Use
Gamal
this.
Salaman. Shnuda here. El Warsh
شنو ده here? I'm
Walid
here.
El Sayed Hassan Mustafa. Not. I save your names.
شنو ده I'm here دكتور.
Who here? Shnuda here. I know that Shnuda here. Now I create your homework on this program. 1 minute.
Please check Dawood.
Dawood, I check it.
Okay.
Now I create
Thank.
your homework. 1 minute, please. Your homework. Your group for 21 04. Good.
عادي ما قشطة.
Look to today 18 10 good
طب يا رجالة في واجب ولا حاجة ولا مفيش واجب؟
10
هي خلصت كده.
18
هي يعتبر خلصت على كده، مش عارف ايه الدنيا.
Our next class will be
خطها حلو.
it after tomorrow. Yes, after tomorrow. This is to tomorrow. I created it. Can you see?
Okay.
Not. Okay. Yes.
Yes, I see.
Yes.
I see it.
Good. Goodbye. Good luck. Good day for you. Bye.
Goodbye, good luck.
Goodbye.
Goodbye
Goodbye.
دكتور.